you need beer.
Put some MSG. How does it look? Hola, nihai desu. Welcome back to my channel. I know something is wrong, huh? But you have no idea what that is, don't you? A few days ago, I got this great stuff. I have no idea how you call this in English. Hot plate? Look, this one. This is for takoyaki. So, I'm gonna make takoyaki for you today. I'm a patriot, so I bought this Zojirushi Japanese one because I like Uncle Roger as well.
Anyway, let's open up this motherfucker.
This is really huge, huh? You see? I had these fucking fake snows.
It's so huge, huh? That's it.
The fake snowflakes are everywhere. Look at this, so cool, like a Zojirushi logo. Oh, looks like a little suitcase carrying bag. Oh, cool.
Open up, open up. So smart. How Japanese can be this smart, huh?
You can do barbecue at home as well. But I have no idea how to use. Let me check the manual. I'm fluent in Japanese. Put the heater on. And put this takoyaki plate as well. Done! Plug in. Too many stuff here, so put them inside. All good, so let's start preparing for the ingredients. I suppose it's hard for you to get all the Japanese ingredients in your country, so I will try to make the recipe as simple as possible. Let's go to the kitchen. These are the essential ingredients and they're optional one. And of course, when you cook takoyaki, you need beer, and I prefer Asahi. Just my friend.
And flour.
Today I'm making 2 people's portion, so you need 200 grams of flour and 2 eggs. 200 grams of boiled octopus, just a little bit spring onion, also dashi powder, like fish broth powder. This tenkasu is optional. It's kind of crunchy fried flour, Benishoga, pickled ginger. This is also optional, some potato starch. Let me chop the spring onion. I will use half part of white part and a green part. Not too big, not too small. The pickled ginger. Today I will just use this amount and chop it. Just roughly chop. Let's mix them up. 2 eggs. $600cc of water. 200 grams of flour, but not at once, little by little. Maybe half of them. Don't be lazy, just little by little. You need to put so much effort here. 3-4 grams of dashi powder. If you don't have it, you can use liquid type, or you can put MSG instead. I will also put some MSG, Ajinomoto. Some people put soy sauce here, and I will put just a little bit. This time I will try to put 20 grams of starch, maybe 20 grams, I don't know. Just a little bit, yeah, like this. Don't worry, this is also optional. Can you see this? It's not very sticky, like this. Lastly, octopus, yeah. It cannot be too big. Cut them half. This one is not very big, so. Okay, they are all you need. I forgot to tell you, you need to get this kind of sauce. This is takoyaki sauce, they specialize in takoyaki. If you can't really find Japanese ingredients, you can go with other sauce. Today I'm just telling you the authentic flavor, so if you have a chance, you can go with this takoyaki sauce. Okay, let's start cooking. Hola! The manual says it takes 8 minutes to heat up the plate. You know what? This item is very interesting. This item is specialized in takoyaki cooking, you know. To spread oil here. Whole kitchen paper and wrap it. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna spread the oil here. Again, this is my first time to make takoyaki, so please be nice on me. I guess it's ready now, and it's so hot. I really don't know how much I should put the soup. Onion, just randomly, and this ginger as well. Yeah, this crunchy boy. Check out that YouTube, okay? I really don't know how to make. Yeah. This is really difficult, I think. Now the temperature is 250, the maximum power. This is very tiring and difficult. There must be some technique, but it's so difficult. I can hear the failure. Come on. Getting better a little bit. I think they're almost done. I also bought this paper boat shape like plate. 8 balls here. When I done, first put takoyaki sauce and mayonnaise as well. We call this Aonori. It's a seaweed flake. Also Bonito flake. I like the sound of Bonito, it's so cute. Bonito. Great. And you eat them with toothpick. How does it look? Great? Okay, let me try. Good. I thought I was gonna fail it. Now I'm relieved. This is good, really good. So don't be afraid. At first you may think you fucked them up, but eventually it's gonna look better. With my recipe, you can enjoy the authentic takoyaki. I really hope you can find takoyaki sauce or at least okonomiyaki sauce in your country. If you can find them, you can put your favorite sauce instead. So please let me know if you have any requests for me. I always check all of your comments. So I'm looking forward to seeing your comment here, okay? I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit our website, the Kokeshi dolls. He also looks like takoyaki, doesn't he? Oh, you can call me Uncle Takoyaki only today. Whatever. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time. Cheers!